Hey guys, I thought I'd just show you the backhoe controls. Well, we've tore up the yard enough so we can't fire it up or anything, but I'm going to go ahead and show you. This is, this right here is the F and R lever. Makes it go forward or reverse, so see that forward, neutral, reverse. Your blinkers, flashers, headlights. This right here is a wiper, gear range, and I thought this was pretty strange, but clutch disconnect, which it does not have a clutch. It's first, second, slide it over to the right, third, fourth, which I thought that was not, I thought it was weird since that wasn't first. It's actually second. That's first. Okay. Neutral. Another clutch disconnect. Raises the loader up by pulling it back. Lets it down. Float position. Curls the bucket by bringing it over this way. Dumps the bucket by going that way. Park brake on, it's on, off. Four-wheel drive is engaged. That zero right there, if it's down like that, it means four-wheel drive is disengaged. Auxiliary hydraulics. See, I never can. Let's see. That's wiper, headlight, or work lights, hour meter, fuel gauge, key. This thing does not have air. It just on this, it does. It shows throttle or hand throttle, and let's see. That is the foot throttle. Brakes, differential, yeah, about right there is a good throttle, but sometimes in tough, I just shove it all the way. All your warning lights, no idea what that is. Horn, your fan. It does have heat though. They did put that in there. Outrigger control for this one works. That outrigger there. This one. That one. Let's see. This one. Pull it up. Rotate your seat around. This one. Pull up. Adjust your seat forward, backward. This is like for a hammer, and but let's see, this switch has to be there before that'll work. Yeah, it's like for a hammer on the end. Alright, let's see, boom lock. Yeah, so that would pull that up, and then you let it down to lock your boom. This is makes a outer dipper there go out, pull it in, makes it come in, take it to the left, it curls it, the bucket, right, uncurls the bucket. This one you pull it back, raises the whole backhoe mechanism, push it forward, lowers it, bring to the left, or to push it to the left, makes the thing swing left, then right, makes the thing swing right. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was very helpful. See you guys later.